All right, guys, today we are going to continue on in writing our compare and contrast essay. Before you get into class, I'm going to go over the directions for our asynchronous time today. So in the previous lesson, you analyzed the structure of the model essay using the painted essay template. In this lesson, you will analyze in detail the introductory paragraphs so that you can begin planning your own essay in this lesson. You also began comparing and contrasting the article and novel in the previous lesson, which is work that you can build upon in this lesson. So that just explained what we did in the last 2 days of class. Our learning targets for today are: I can plan the introduction of a compare and contrast essay with a strong focus statement. And our entrance ticket for today are 3 different directions. So step 1 is read the learning target. Ms. King just read you the learning target. I'm going to read it to you one more time. I can plan the introduction of a compare and contrast essay with a strong focus statement. So you just checked off step 1. Step 2 is record the following words and definitions in your vocabulary log. So the first word that you need to have in your vocabulary log is your focus statement. It is an academic word, and the definition is a sentence that tells you the main points of an essay. And our second word is introduction. Again, that is an academic word as well. The definition of an introduction is the beginning or opening to an essay or book. So after you put those 2 words into your vocabulary log, you are going to move into step 3, which is answering the following question. What is the purpose of the introduction of an essay? And what is the purpose of the focus statement? If you need a little help, look at these 2 definitions to help you come up with your answer.